7 Geometry exercise 17A as given in question number 1. First of all, we have to make a rough diagram of given as ABCD is a quadrilateral, so A, B, C and D as given 4.2 centimeter, BC as 6 centimeter, DC as 5.2 and DS as 5 centimeter. AC is given as 8 centimeter. So first of all, we have to make this triangle. How to make? AB given as 4.2. So first of all, take a line, measure the line of 4.2 centimeter. Then write the name of these A and B. BC is given as 6 centimeter. So what we have to do? First, in a rough side, make a line of 6 centimeter and then we have to measure it. The distance is 6 centimeter. Keep at point B and cut it. From A to C is given as 8 centimeter. So again, draw a line of 8 centimeter in the rough side of your copy or paper. Measure it. This is 8 centimeter. Keep the pointer at point A and then cut it. Mark the point where you have cut both the lines and then join it. That point through A and B. After that, we can name this point. What is the name of the point? That is C. After making this triangle, we can move to the other side. From A to D given as 5 centimeter. So measure a line of 5 centimeter. Measure it. Keep the pointer at A and make an arc. From C to D given as 5.2. So make a line of 5.2 centimeter. Measure it 5.2. Keep the pointer at C and then cut it. The place where you have cut, now you can join these two lines. After joining this, you can mark the point as D. After that, we have to write its name. The number, whatever the things were given in your question. Completed. This is exercise 17A. Same way, question number 2. A quadrilateral of PQRS is given. So what is our first work? To make a rough figure. Always PQ, R and S. PQ given as 5.4, QR 4.6, RS 4.3, SP 3.5 and PR. This is given as 4 centimeter. Again same way, we have to make first of all this triangle. How to make it? The length is given as PQ 5.4 centimeter. So we have to measure 5.4 centimeter. Name the point PQ. What is the length here? 4.6. Make a line 4.6. Now measure it. After measuring, what we have to do? Keep the pointer at Q and cut it. From P it is given as 4 centimeter. So we can have it. Take a line 4 centimeter on the rough side of your page. Measure that. And from P again we have to cut it. So we can increase this and cut this. So here we got a point and the name of that point is R. Again, what is our this? From here till here it is given as from P to S 3.5. Make a line 3.5. Measure it 3.5. From P cut 3.5. From R given as 4.3. So here 4.3. 4.3. Now we can join it.